Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a left-handed blues comb. Knowing how to do a left-handed comb and a standard blues comb would probably be helpful. I'll put links to those in the description below in case you want to go back and review them. And jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's break it down. It starts off man's left, lady's right. We go semicircle back, just like a standard comb. It comes off the return, so we return the lady. At this point in a standard left-handed comb, we would take the elbow across to make a loop here. So we're looking at the lady down the left-hand side of the forearm. Now, the blues combs are the opposite side to usual, so we need to go down the right-hand side. To do that, we need to turn left. So by turning left, we can now be going past the right-hand side of the arm, goes over the head, down onto the shoulder, and we release, slide, and catch. And then you're ready for whatever you want to do next. So let's do that from the other side, so you get the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, return 2, combing 3, and away 4. Let's try it together. Here we go. Man's left, lady's right. 5, 6, left-handed blues comb. We go back, return, comb, and away. That's it. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it turns out to be something that becomes part of your regular repertoire. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell, if you've got notifications turned on your settings, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video. Something nice to do this to. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.